Have you ever wanted to completely change the look of your motorcycle? Today I am unboxing a brand new set of fairings for my CBR and I have no idea how they're going to look. So let's find out. Let's just say they're not OEM. Before we get into unboxing these fairings though, let me just give you a quick rundown on what fairings actually do, just in case you didn't know. So of course everyone knows that fairings play a huge part in how the bike looks, but fairings also play a huge part in aerodynamics. And the aerodynamics of the bike can affect your gas mileage and your speed and things like that. So those guys who like to take regular sports bikes, rip the fairings off and call them naked bikes, definitely see a decrease in their speed and their gas mileage, but it's probably not too much of a decrease. Another thing that fairings do is protect the internals of the bike. So while yes, it's just a small piece of plastic, it still does something when it comes to protecting the bike in the event of an accident. But anyway, just kind of a fun fact, I guess, for you. Anyways, let's get back to unboxing these new fairings. What do we have here? Oh, sweet. I didn't know it actually sent a new one of these. Looks like we're gonna have lots of wrapping to undo. Alrighty. This actually looks pretty good. This is one of the belly pieces. This actually looks pretty good. I'm surprised. It looks a little dirty, but otherwise not bad. Let's keep unboxing. I just want to say I'm impressed with how many pieces they fit in this small of a box. I was honestly expecting a bigger box because there's a lot of pieces and they really packed them all in here. Yeah, these things honestly look pretty good. I'm very curious to see how the fit and finish is on these though. So far I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the finish though. I was a little skeptical because it was an eBay buy and they're not OEM, and I've had a friend who had a CBR who bought aftermarket fairings and they did not go very well, so we'll see. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think so far. I think they're looking pretty good. Oh, yes, dude. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, I probably don't need those, but new push-ins and everything. That is awesome. I am pretty happy with this. Alrighty guys, so I cleaned up all the mess, laid all these plastics out, and here is everything that came in the box. It came with obviously all the fairings. I've never bought fairings before, so maybe this is normal, but it came with these heat shield stickers for the belly fairings. It came with a new tank sticker. It came with new hardware like I just showed you a second ago. It came with a new windshield, which I don't really need, but it's kind of nice that it came with one. And then all these new textured plastic pieces that I did not know it was coming with either. And then this piece, which I somehow have no idea where this goes, but it came with one. So far, I am very happy with these plastics. I was expecting the finish to be a little more, you know, someone painted them in their garage type finish, but it's actually pretty professional looking, and I'm very excited to put these all on my bike and have all new fairings and see what it looks like. So it's gonna be pretty sweet. I'll be installing these new fairings right after this video, so make sure you stay tuned for a follow-up video where I'll show you the install and of course how it looks when I'm done. Man, I'm excited to put these on. If you guys have enjoyed this video so far and you feel I've earned it, I would appreciate it more than you know if you hit the subscribe button. I'm on my way to 500 subscribers thanks to you guys. I've always kind of had a dream of making a living off of YouTube one day, and I'm going to keep trying to do that. So if you want to help me out, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Comment down below if you want to see more bike content or four-wheeler content, and I would really appreciate it. I can't wait to show you guys the finished product when I put these new fairings on my bike, so stay tuned for that video. And remember, say a prayer, ride safe.